Don't you want to relax under a tree in beach without worrying about daily work and finance? I would have if I had learnt about stocks in early part of my life. Compounding engine would have taken care of my finance needs. All the so-called well-wishers told me to stay away from the stock market. They told about stories how people went bankrupt, how people lost crores of money, sold their houses, took the extreme steps of suicide, leaving the family behind to fend for themselves. I don't blame them. Yes, investing in stock market is not easy. It's a complex job. Investing in stocks without much knowledge based on the tips is a blunder. This is the dark story of the stock market. I wish if I had met someone who is knowledgeable in investing, who knows how to identify good businesses, who could teach me how to identify good business, who could teach me how to read annual reports, who could explain how I can make fortunes by holding on to good companies as long as the company delivers, without much activity. This is the bright story of stock market. I would encourage parents to encourage kids to learn about investing at their early age. Apart from the regular education, they also gain finance literacy and attain financial independence early in their life. Hare Krishna. Hi, welcome to Money School. Subscribe to this channel to get updates. Investing is an art and you need good story to invest in business. It is not necessary that you have to hold complex business to become wealthy. You can make money from simple, well managed business. Relaxo is into footwear manufacturing business. They target middle class people. Let us check out how you could have made crores just by holding the stock for a long period of time. Stock market is greatest invention by man to help people who are ready to spend some time in analyzing the business and who have emotional control to hold the stock for a long period of time. You need to separate the business from stock market. Evaluate the business whether it is worth buying and then act. Those who have understood the market, like Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, accumulated huge amount of wealth. Now, this video is for educational purpose only. Please read the disclosure in the beginning of the video. This is not an investment advice. Please contact your investment advisor for more information. To make money in Satta Bazaar, you have to understand little bit history about how people made money, how much return stocks have given earlier, and how those businesses performed. Do comment whether you would be interested in learning about stock market. I am planning to conduct online courses and it will take some time. Also, I am planning a beginner course for kids of minimum age um, 10 to 15 years in a simple understandable form for kids. Now coming back to Relaxo, slippers and shoes is one such materialistic thing which people cannot avoid and live without one. I cannot imagine people stop wearing slippers. Relaxo is into this space. Of course, competition is too much in this space, but globally, footwear market trends indicate a robust growth of CAGR 15 to 17%. The only way how you can create wealth for yourself is by partnering with entrepreneurs by buying their company shares through stock market. Now let us quickly understand their financials. Looking at P&L statement, their margins vary in the range of 14 to 21%. It is decreased after COVID and improving now. Their compounded sales growth for last 3 years is 7% considering the impact of COVID. Their current ROCE is 12%. But if you look at the previous years, it varied between 20 to 30%, which is quite good. Their ROE is 10%, which is little less. Now looking at their balance sheet, debt is under control, that is about 200 crores. They have cash about 98 crores and they have not diluted the stock, but they have split the stock multiple times. Now looking at the cash flow statement, Cash flow statement looks good. Their operating cash flow was 400 crores in 2023 and 235 crores in 2024. So they are able to generate cash. Now, coming back to shareholding, promoters have increased their shareholding in the company to 71.27%, which is good. Promoters are interested in long term growth of the company. Now, their sales in 2003 was 150 crores, and recently in 2023 it was 2782 crores. If you look at the market cap in 2003, it was 16.2 crores. That is the total value of the company. If you had 16 crores, you could have bought the company in 2003. In 2023, the market cap at its peak was 35,968 crores. That is, from 2003 to 2023, sales have grown about 18 times, but market cap has grown by 2,220 times. If you had invested rupees 10 lakhs in 2003, you could have made rupees 222 crores in 2023. This is just by doing nothing after investing. This clearly shows that people who play in stock market by getting in and getting out of the stock will never make money. Finally, investing in stock market is a game of probabilities. People do a lot of research while buying a house or car, but not the business. They are not ready to spend time and learn about business. People buy and sell the stock for very few minutes or days and miss the compounding game. Thank you.